Now let's see the list of users in our MySQL server. There are basically two ways to do this. We have this database called MySQL. In this database, we have a table called user. So we can select everything from this table. Take a look. So host represents where the user can connect from. So we created this John user without specifying a host. And as you can see, the host for this user is set to this %, which is a wildcard character, just like when we use the like operator. So it means anywhere. John can connect from any computers. There are no restrictions. We also have these 3 user accounts that are used internally by MySQL. And finally, we have root. This is the user account that we created when installing MySQL. Now, note that all these accounts, their host is localhost. So if I want to log in as the root, I have to be on this computer. I cannot connect remotely and log in as the root user, okay? Now here we have several columns that determine the permissions for each user. Don't worry about this now. We're going to talk about this later. So this is one way to get the list of users. We can also see our users in the Navigator panel. So on the left side, open the Administration tab. Here under Management, we have Users and Privileges. So once again, we can see the same user accounts over here. Next, I'm going to talk about dropping users.